Hey guys, so today I'm going to be going over my Trading 212 portfolio. I'm planning to start a weekly series, potentially twice a week even. Just literally opening up my Trading 212 account, showing you guys how things are looking. You'll get to see if my investments are climbing or if they've dropped. So basically it'll be like my journey through the world of investing. It's important to note I'm very new to this. I only just started investing with Trading 212 at the beginning of April. So literally, I think it was the 2nd or 3rd of April. So yeah, I've not been doing this a long time. I wanted to get involved with investing, especially right now with the whole coronavirus pandemic. All the markets came crashing down, and I thought it was the best time to get in there when everything's so cheap. So yeah, over the last few weeks, during the lockdown here in Scotland, I've been doing a lot of reading, watching a lot of YouTube videos, a lot of ebooks, a lot of audiobooks, all about investing, and I figured it was the right time to get in. Like I've said, Trading 212 is my platform of choice. So yeah, this is, like I say, a weekly series. We'll go over everything and you can follow along my journey with me. So I'll open up the Trading 212 app on my phone here, and here we go. Just to let you know, I have done another video which was an overview of the Trading 212 platform. You can check that out. I'll put a link to it below. Just in case if you're maybe interested in getting involved with Trading 212 and you want to see how it looks, I've covered that in our video and listed the positives and what I think is good about the app and the platform in general. So yeah, if you're interested, check that out. But like I say, today we're just going to be going over my stocks and we'll see how things are looking. So let's open my portfolio page. Here we go. So far this year, I've invested 9% of my ISA. So I opened a stocks and shares ISA through Trading 212. It's a very important thing to do if you can, because you're then getting all the benefits from tax. You're not going to be paying tax on any of the earnings you make. So yeah, always recommend doing that if you can. My portfolio just now, so far I've invested £3,241.54. That is money that I've had been saving up for a while. It's also important to note that's money that I'm comfortable losing if it came to it. Not that I want to lose it at all, obviously. Who wants to lose money? But it's important that you should never invest with money that you really cannot afford to lose, just in case. It's kind of like gambling then, and that's stupid. So yeah, that's what I've invested so far. That's, like I say, since the beginning of April. Yes, that seems like a lot in a short space of time. The reason is because there was a lot of things that were really cheap, a lot of investments I wanted to make when they were so low. So I'll go over them here. So yeah, thankfully it has been climbing. So currently my return's showing a £96.52 return. You can see that there, which is basically 3%. Which is good news. Again, I'm not taking any account of that. That means nothing to me right now. I'm investing for the long term here. I'm not looking to make a quick few bucks, a few pounds even here in Scotland, UK, and then getting out. I want to keep this 3 to 5 years minimum. Potentially longer. We'll see how it goes. So my investments, my portfolio is currently made up of the following. I have 200 units in the iShares Core FTSE 100. Which is this year. So yeah, that's a total of £1,138.20 I have invested into this. And this is a ETF, which is an exchange traded fund. I'm not going to go into all the details, everything here because I don't want to bore you. Like I say, this is an overview of how things are looking. So that's in the green just now. That's a 5.6%, say 5.58, 5.6% nearly increase since I've invested. So that's good. The iShares Core S&P 500, that's investments in all the American markets, the 500 biggest companies in America. I've only got 30 units in there at the moment, which I say only, it's still £679.05 worth, which is still a lot. But I am looking to invest more into this is another ETF. I am looking to invest more into here in the next few weeks, in the coming weeks. The next one is Legal and General Group. Heard a lot of good things about this company and I wanted to get involved. Their price came crashing down, as you can see here. And I actually invested at this point. and it's dipped again since and went back up, and it dipped again and went back up. So yeah, it's very volatile still, as you can see. But again, this is for the long term here. There was a lot of reasons I wanted to invest in them, but I can cover that in another video potentially. They're currently down, so I've made a loss so far of 7.14%. Currently down nearly by £15. Again, I'm not worried. Long term, I'm thinking 3 to 5 years ahead. I'm not thinking about just now or tomorrow or next week. Next one here was Royal Dutch Shell. I wanted to get involved with them recently because the oil price, as I'm sure you've probably read or heard in the news, came absolutely crashing down. It was down at minus $37, minus $38 a barrel, I think, at one point. And I thought, yeah, now's a good time to get involved. I really can't see this company going anywhere. They're truly one of the giants, one of the big blue chip companies, as they call them. So I'm confident in their ability to weather this whole coronavirus pandemic and continue to grow. Also, they are looking a lot towards green energy as the world's going. And what a lot of people don't realise is all these companies, oil and gas, it's not just that they are focusing on renewable energy and greens, which is looking to be the future, even the very near future, as we can see. So yeah, I was confident investing with them. Important thing to note here, there's two different, when you actually search for Shell, if you want to get invested with them, you'll see there's a RDSA ticker here, and there's also the RDSB, which is the one I invested in. The reason I invested in RDSB is because basically you're not getting taxed. I don't really fully understand it, but from what I have read and understand, if you're in the UK, you should invest in RDSB. That's important to note. The RDSA is really for people within anywhere else in Europe, I believe. So if you're US or UK, it should be the RDSB. I'll cover this in our video in more detail. Like I say, we're not getting too involved right just now. So yeah, they've, over the last few days, well, you can see how volatile it's been. It's been shooting up and back down. This is just today alone, up and down, it dropped again. But yeah, it's been pretty dramatic here. I invested at this point here, so I was getting the shares for about £12.94 each. So yeah, I wanted to go quite big with them, so I bought 60 shares at a price of £819.24. I was happy to do that. Again, long term, see how it goes. But so far it's up £42.35, 5.48 increase, which is good news. The next one to look at here is the Vanguard FTSE Emerging Markets, VFEM. I think it's important to kind of diversify your portfolio, as I've constantly read and watched videos on, and it's good to have some exposure to the emerging markets. So currently I'm making up 15.36% of my portfolio is the Vanguard FTSE Emerging Markets. So this is like all your other markets in the world that's not predominantly based UK, US based. So yeah, I will be increasing the amount I've got invested with them as well, but right just now I'm happy with as it is, £512.98. So that's currently how things are looking. I've got a total of 5 investments. £3,340.50-ish is what my portfolio currently stands at. It's important to note that is the total. That is the current total, sorry. It's updating every few seconds, obviously, as the markets go up and down, up and down. So I'll be looking to invest probably another £250 next week of savings. I'm not too sure where it's going yet, but I'll do more research and see what's best to put that into. It might be the S&P 500, depending on how that goes, to be honest, because I really want to get that increased in my portfolio. So yeah, like I say, right just now we're pretty much £100 up. Well, as soon as I say it, there we go, £100 up, amazing. So yeah, 3.09% increase. So we'll see how things are looking this time next week, say. And we'll see how my investments are faring and if I've managed to add any more to my portfolio. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. If you've got any questions about Trading 212, about getting involved in investing, pop me a comment below. I have been reading a shit ton of information lately. My mind has been pretty fried at times, but I think this is our best opportunity to get involved in the stock market right now. I'm 29 years old, and this could be the best opportunity of my lifetime anyway to get involved. So this is why I did it. And yeah, we'll leave things there for now. Hope you enjoyed this, and we'll see you in the next video.